Hi everyone, welcome to another new episode of Ask Bybit. Let's talk with Ben. The first question we have today is from Twitter user CasBeats. Their question is, when do you expect to have Bitcoin quarterly futures open, and how will you handle liquidity on them? Love the platform and the updates. Keep it up.
Very good question. Where the team is working, non-stop for the quarterly future expiration contract. We expect the product to be released by end of this quarter, so a few months to look forward to. We're actually gonna pack the product with some really good features, including completely cross-margin or portfolio margin with the perpetual contract, so that you can use the same margin and even use your unrealized profit to make more trade on your quarterly futures contract. And most likely we'll release the Bitcoin inverse expiration contract first, and then slowly release the other products. Thank you.
Well, there you go, CasBeats. And the next question actually was asked by 4 people. So we have Ty Milhinch on Facebook, and then we have Devram Akichi, Kathnik Shiva, and Crypto Magnet on Twitter. So their questions are all about our new USDT trading pairs. So will there be more USDT or BTC pairs in the future? When will there be Ethereum USDT available for trading? Will there be Ripple USDT perpetual contract? What are the other USDT pairs we are launching in the near future?
We are launching, the dates are set at end of October, so end of next month. We're going to be launching 5 pairs at the same time. The Ethereum USDT, I think Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, the DeFi project, and I think one more I can't remember on top of my head, but definitely it's going to be something to look forward to, because again our linear contract is also cross-margined, so you can use the same margin to trade all pairs and manage your risk and your margin properly that way. So stay tuned, end of October it will come out.
That is a lot of products coming down the pike. And next we have Rinas on Instagram, Eugene Chevanov, and Manjo BTC on Twitter, asking if Bybit is going to allow copy trading, or sort of like have a copy trading feature on our platform.
Copy trading is not really in our pipeline. We still position ourselves as a trading platform. So the social feature, including copy trading or social trading, we rely much more on our partners to work with us. So we do currently support quite a few. Actually, I think all the major copy trading sites and tools such as BitCopy, different algo sites, we mostly support them. So our clients can use them and to trade completely on Bybit. Yeah.
All right. Next question comes from Twitter user Tama001. And the question is, will there be a XAU/USD trading pair to be listed on Bybit?
I mean, gold or any traditional regulated pairs, it's not a matter of whether we want to list or not. It's whether we have the proper regulations and license to provide such product. Especially gold is extremely regulated. So in order to provide that, we have to get the exchange license or the broker license for the countries we want to operate in. Again, this is probably not going to happen at least within this year. And if next year in our agenda we want to move up to cover more product, we will obtain the proper license to do so. However, especially gold traders or forex traders, they're very used to MetaQuotes or MT4. We are going to be supporting that. We're actually going to be one of the first exchange fully supporting MT4. So you will be able to download the Bybit MT4 and trade directly within the MT4 for any of our current products. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah. The next question comes from Twitter user Randall Rue. And their question is, how do you plan to spread awareness about Bybit to a country where English is not the main language?
We actually have been running what we call the Bybit Ambassador program for I think a little more than half a year now. I think it covers many different countries, many different languages. So we have our communities. I remember we have a Turkish community, we have a Spanish, we have Arabic community, Vietnamese, different languages. So we are planning to support much more. However, when we do say we support a unique country, not only offer the language, we also offer the dedicated marketing team or the customer support team. So the latest country that we added in is Vietnam. So I think Bybit currently do full support Vietnamese customer support and also the language UI on the website. And of course, the next in place is probably Spanish and Turkish. So stay tuned. Yeah.
Oh, Bybit is gonna hablar español. We have another question from Angel BTC. The question is, will Bybit have a community vote to have coins listed on the exchange?
Okay, so this community voting, we are very much pro-community. However, we are a completely derivative exchange. So when we list the project, we do collect a lot of clients' feedbacks. So with these new pairs that are coming up on the USDT linear contracts, we mostly got it from our clients' feedback. But at the same time, we still need to evaluate the actual whether the pair is tradable or not, whether the liquidity is there or not. So these are all the decisions we have to take into consideration. And once we find these type of product that's really good liquidity to trade, we'll be able to list them. So we currently don't have a sort of a listing, but we do always ask our clients in our community what products they want to trade. And of course, it's our goal to try to provide much more tools or coins to trade. Yeah.
I see. We have a question from Twitter user at SirHSL. What about a Bybit credit card? Do you have any plans about it in the future?
We talked about the possibility of that, and it is actually not that difficult to do. There are many providers that can basically, you talk to them and they can help you to do that. But again, there's fees involved in it. So for the end user, it's not so, we haven't found the right partners to do so, but we are actively looking, and if we do find a very easy and cheap solution, we'll provide it to our clients. And by the way, we already added many different credit card on-ramp, meaning that you can use your credit card to make deposit on Bybit. So that's already available, yeah.
Yep, check out our Fiat Gateway. The next question comes from at CMoneybags1. Their question is there any plans to add more indicators? I think that's the strategy indicators, strategy alert for Android mobile app. Thank you.
Yes, that's already in development, I think, and a very big update is coming up on the current strategy alert on the mobile app. We're expecting also end of this quarter or early next quarter to have it ready. Not only about new indicators, but also adding some more features to it. So stay tuned for that.
Right. The next question comes from at Ignacio Thomas, and their question is similar to the last one, but like they asked if the strategy alerts is going to arrive on the web interface.
The web interface, not necessarily in the form of a strategy alert, because that would consume way too much RAM or CPU and cause maybe probably lag problems. But we do have a current a mail inbox in the mobile web interface. We plan to add on either liquidation or order field, notification in the inbox, so that clients can get a email notification within their inbox. Along with that, with a sound alert system, so that whatever they get, they will hear a sound in their mobile interface. So hopefully that would solve most of the trading needs for that. Yeah.
Oh. The final two questions of today come from Twitter user Dosani Sohil5. And the first question is, will Bybit start spot trading?
Spot trading, not in the pipeline for this year, maybe next year. You never know what's going to happen. So, but at least for this year, our pipeline is completely full for more derivative products. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. His second question is, do you have any future plans on launching additional products such as a lending platform to boost liquidity and attract new users?
We talked about that, and we even looked into, actually we looked into many different products, even fixed income, lending, borrowing. But again, we believe that as we market ourselves for now, we want to at least expand our current derivative product line, meaning that after the expiration contract, we'll release our option product. So after that, maybe some more, because obviously a fixed income or this type of product is a spin-off on the derivatives. So we will look into that, but still our main priority is to offer the basics first and then go into the more detailed regions of the product lines. Yeah, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you for talking to us, Ben.